Hello and welcome to another 3D printing video. Today I'm going to be printing the tiniest scar that I think has ever been printed on YouTube. So let's get into this. So Fortnite just came out with its Season 7 update, and that's pretty exciting. It's all snow, or not all snow, like 1/4 of the map is covered with snow. There's airplanes now, which is insane. There's a lot of new stuff. But the scar isn't new, but that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be printing another scar. So I printed a video a while back, and it now has 16,000 views, which, I mean, isn't a lot compared to like all the YouTubers you guys probably watch, but it is a lot for my channel. That's like 1/5 of my channel's views is just that one video, which has 16,000 views. And it has a lot of dislikes compared to what I normally get, and I think that's because it wasn't a very great print, and it was a lot smaller than people were expecting. So, kind of to do something new, but with that idea of printing the scar, something ironic would be to print one on purpose as small as I can do it. And because my dad has the SLA Photon Anycubic Photon 3D printer, I can print really tiny things with that. Last time I printed it on my Flying Bear, which is an FDM, which uses a different type of plastic and a different 3D printing method. It does it a different way, which makes it harder to do small things, but it can do a lot of big things. This one is really good for small stuff, and that's what I'm going to do. It's going to be about 1 centimeter tall, 9 millimeters, a little bit less than 1 centimeter. So it's printing right now. It's going to take about 2 hours. That's a long time, but I'm hoping it's going to turn out pretty awesome. And in the meantime, I'm going to go play some Fortnite. See you guys later. Okay, I'm back. I did take a break, and I went and played some Fortnite, and I'm terrible at the game. So if anybody out there is willing to squad up and carry me to some dubs, I'm down. But back to the 3D print. So actually, after I got done playing Fortnite, after a little while, I came out and checked on the print, and it had failed. It hadn't adhered to the bed for the first layer, so the rest of it couldn't print. But it's been a few days, and my dad just texted me and said he started it again, and he thought that it had succeeded. And so I came out here and checked, and it did. But it's like, it's a sliver. It's so tiny. I'm going to zoom in on it for you so you guys can take a look at it. But it has a process of cleaning it up. There's a process to clean it up and cut the supports off and stuff, and curing it because it's a certain type of, it's a resin. So I'm going to zoom in on this, and I'll probably get to working on this later today, or maybe tomorrow, I'm not sure. Probably tonight I can finish this up and show you guys the finished product. Yeah, let's take a close look at it. You can kind of see it a little bit better right here. You can see its barrel at the top, or at the bottom, and then the top of the gun along the top, or the right side, and you can see the butt of it sticking out the top. But it does have support, so it's kind of covering a lot of that up. Okay, so I pulled it out and cleaned it up, and here it is. It is the tiniest thing I have ever printed. Look at that. It's so tiny. It's now, it's gotta focus on my face. Blurry face. Okay, this is yeah, of course, the tiniest print I think I've ever done, and there is no way that this would have been possible on an FDM printer. The nozzle is bigger than some parts of this. This is crazy. I'm pretty sure this is the smallest Fortnite weapon ever made. Possibly. I don't know. But it's tiny. So I'm going to take its supports off of it. The thing that's holding it, to the base, that allowed it to print. I'm going to pull those off, and then I'm going to look at it a little bit closer. Okay, there it is. The tiniest Fortnite scar. This is epic. This is like, I think this is one of the coolest things I've done with the SLA 3D printer. Personally, I think that. Big things are awesome, but I think it's crazy how small you can get things with the detail of that printer. So if you enjoyed this video, leave it a like. Let me know in the comments what I should print next. Tiny. What other things would be awesome for Fortnite. Maybe you're interested in seeing some bigger stuff that I can print on my Flying Bear, or you want to see some other tiny stuff. So, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.